How to change account in Royal Match. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out and switch into another account. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right, you can see this small settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. So here in your settings interface, here in order to log out, you must first tap on save your progress. Tap on save your progress. Now tap on sign out. So be confirmed to sign out. Now tap on yes. So it has been signed out. Now in order to sign in again, tap on save your progress and you can simply sign in with Facebook or Google. Here I am selecting Facebook. Tap on Facebook. So your Facebook will be directly connected with it. So you must be connected or you must have your account logged in your Facebook. So it will take some time, and as you can see, it has been logged in. So this is how you log in with another account or change your account. Thank you for watching this video.